Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Kids Cookbook is probably one of the most important investments you can make in your child's future, fostering their independence, creativity, and healthy eating habits all at once. This video dives into the top picks for cookbooks designed specifically for children aged 9 to 12, helping you find the perfect one to ignite their passion for cooking and empower them in the kitchen. Number 5. Young Chef's Cookbook. Welcome to the world of cooking. This cookbook is designed for young chefs like you, filled with 100+ delicious and easy-to-follow recipes. It's packed with a wide variety of recipes, from tasty appetizers to satisfying main courses and delightful desserts. There is something for everyone to enjoy. Each recipe includes simple, step-by-step instructions and clear photos, making cooking fun and accessible for all skill levels. Cooking should be an enjoyable experience. This cookbook makes learning to cook fun and exciting, encouraging creativity in the kitchen. With this cookbook as your guide, you'll gain confidence in the kitchen and discover the joy of creating delicious meals. You'll impress your family and friends with your culinary skills. So grab your apron, gather your ingredients, and let's embark on a culinary adventure together. It's time to create some delicious memories. What we like. It boasts a wide array of recipes, covering diverse cuisines and tastes. If you're looking for a comprehensive cookbook with something for everyone, this is the one. It's perfect for young chefs who want to explore different culinary styles and expand their cooking skills. What people say. Recipe directions are clear. Many good hints. A worthwhile purchase for older kids through teens, and for beginner cooks. Easy, fun recipes. Detail on the process involved. There are pages that teach technique. Photos are excellent. Easy to read. Recipes are simple enough that kids can make corrections if they make a mistake. Great for beginners. Number 4. Baking Book for Young Chefs. Welcome to the world of baking. This book is your guide to creating delicious treats. Let's get started and explore the exciting recipes inside. It's filled with more than 100 sweet recipes, from simple cookies to elegant cakes. You'll find something to satisfy every sweet tooth. But that's not all. It also includes savory options, expanding your baking horizons beyond desserts. Prepare to impress with your culinary skills. Each recipe is designed with young chefs in mind, providing clear instructions and helpful tips. Baking delicious treats has never been easier. These recipes are perfect for sharing with friends and family. Bake a batch and spread the joy of homemade goodness. Get ready for a fun-filled baking journey. This book will help you learn new skills and create memories in the kitchen. What we like. This cookbook specializes in baking, offering both sweet and savory options. If you have a budding baker in your family, this is a great choice. It's ideal for kids who love to create delicious treats and share them with friends and family. What people say. It's full of colorful photo illustrations and easy-to-understand directions. Seems to be pretty thorough and informative for beginning cooks without talking down to them. Pictures are of real boys and girls making the recipes, not cutesy or childish pictures. Bright colors and good format. The recipes are easy to understand and turn out delicious, as you can see from the picture above that the chocolate chip cookies were yummy. Number 3. Food Network Kids Baking Book. Get ready for delicious adventures. This cookbook is filled with 110+ recipes perfect for young bakers. It has simple instructions and colorful photos, making baking a breeze. Even beginners can create amazing treats. From cookies and cakes to pies and more, it's packed with exciting recipes. You'll find something to satisfy every sweet tooth. It's a great way to spend quality time with loved ones. Share the joy of baking and create lasting memories together in the kitchen. It's time to get creative and have fun. Let's explore the wonderful world of baking. With these recipes, success is sweet. Prepare to impress everyone with your baking skills. What we like. It's packed with fun and engaging recipes from the trusted Food Network brand. If you like visually appealing recipes and a playful approach to baking, this cookbook is a winner. It's perfect for kids who respond well to bright photos and easy-to-understand instructions. What people say. Every recipe is easy and delicious to make. Sure to keep the party going and the kids interested. Easy to follow recipes for kids to follow with adult supervision if need be. This is a great cookbook with desserts that kids can make pretty easy with guidance from mom or dad. The pictures are colorful and delicious also. Number 2. Young Scientist's Cookbook. Get ready for a culinary adventure where science and cooking collide. This cookbook is packed with fun experiments and delicious recipes. It's filled with over 70 exciting recipes, perfect for budding chefs of all ages. You'll learn how to make amazing food while understanding the science behind it. Each recipe includes a fun science experiment to enhance your understanding of the cooking process. It's a hands-on learning experience. Discover the science behind your favorite dishes. You'll learn about chemical reactions, physical changes, and more, all while having a blast in the kitchen. This cookbook is your guide to becoming a master chef and a young scientist. It's the perfect blend of education and deliciousness. Designed for young chefs, it makes learning fun and engaging. It's the perfect gift for any curious young mind. What we like? This unique cookbook combines cooking with science experiments. If you are looking for an educational and engaging way to teach kids about food science, this is it. It's perfect for curious kids who enjoy learning while they cook. What people say. This book is not your normal cookbook. It teaches kids about chemical reactions in cooking and shows them the different ways that you use science to make delicious treats. The book is hardcover with eye-catching photos. The recipes are grouped together with different science questions to explore, like browning, umami, and spices. This book was a perfect combination. He loves the fact that the book explains the science of cooking, so gets to learn and continue to inquire while making tasty treats. Number 1. Food Network Kids Cookbook. It's filled with 150+ kid-friendly recipes, perfect for budding chefs. Let's get cooking. This cookbook makes cooking fun and accessible for young cooks. It's the perfect way to get them involved in the kitchen. Each recipe is broken down into simple steps, making it easy for kids to follow along. They'll be amazed at what they can create. It has recipes for every meal of the day. There's something here for everyone to enjoy. It's more than just a cookbook, it's a journey of culinary discovery. Let your imagination run wild. It brings the trusted quality of Food Network to your kitchen. You know it's going to be delicious. What we like? It offers a huge variety of recipes from the popular Food Network brand. If you want a large selection of recipes to choose from, this cookbook is a great option. It's perfect for kids who want to try many different dishes and expand their culinary horizons. What people say. So many great, easy, creative recipes. I love the spiral binding. It sits flat on the counter. Most of the recipes are easy and basic. It's also a great way to teach reading, measurements, sequencing, time, temperature, and even money, with a trip to the store for ingredients. The book is a hardcover 3-ring notebook with colorful photos and slightly larger print. It's very well made and will last for years. This cookbook is delightful, bright colorful photos and easy to follow recipes using ordinary easy to find ingredients. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.